Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around a Lamborghini Aventador that we've upgraded with a front and rear dash cam solution, not only protecting the car while on the road now, but also protecting the vehicle while parked up with full live view technology. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So the customer asked us to install a dash cam for him. How are we actually going to be able to do that? Front one, not a problem. Rear camera, slightly more tricky. Basically, what's actually involved in doing something like this, and that's what we're going to be talking about, mostly the actual rear camera, because that is the achievement here today. Basically, this is our first Lamborghini Aventador that we've actually installed a rear camera on. So we've got something called the Thinkware T700 as a front camera. Basically, this gives you what's called live view technology. So you can log in on an app, see exactly what the car's up to, what's walking around the car. So if anyone's walking around the car, you can see that live because it's got motion detection. But what the customer's after is obviously protecting this side of the vehicle as well. That's why we've added in the rear dash camera. Also involved in that is running a physical cable run all the way to the back panel here. Over here, as you can see here, you've got the rear dash camera, which is just down there. Very, very small cable, and then we've got a small incision into the bottom of that panel. It's the only way to get the cable in there very neatly, and then the cable run actually runs all through the vehicle and is completely hidden away. Literally, the only bit of visible cable is that at the back. The reason why we've gone slightly off center is mostly because of the option, obviously, on the vehicle. The visibility from that rear view mirror is very, very limited. So what we've actually done is taken that off center just to give the customer a little bit more visibility. Even though that camera is incredibly small, the obviously visibility side of things on the vehicle is a little bit limited. So that's why we've kind of taken that off center. The other thing that we've managed to do, even with installing this in such a way, we've still retained the actual glass work to come up. So you've still got full functionality of that. But you've got now protected while on the road, while driving along the road, but also actually while the vehicle's parked. However, there's no draw on the vehicle's battery. The way we've achieved that is using what's called the Thinkware iVolt battery system. In essence, as you drive for around about 30 minutes, you get about 16 hours of recording on the other side, which is immense. So even if you're driving, say, 10 minutes to the local shops, you have then got parking mode for that period of time that you're generally going to be in that store for. So it's really, really nice protecting you in car parks, obviously with the car being wider, with the car being a longer car as well. It's essential your car is protected, and obviously with the value of the vehicle as well, it's essential these vehicles are protected and looked after. So it's a really, really nice solution, however very discreet. You've also got speed camera detection on there, but the main thing is you've got live view technology, you've got full parking mode functionality, and we've also got the rear camera installed, giving you so much more protection while on the road and parked up. So hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. You've seen a little bit more about the install that we've done on the Lamborghini Aventador behind me, and hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel, help us grow our channel, and also comment below if you want to see any more videos or anything else we can showcase on our install videos. So thank you very much for watching. We look forward to seeing you soon.